Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a crypto analysis which will be based on plenty of elements that actually exist in crypto analysis. And I'm talking about some indicators, some downtrends and uptrends, and some more tools that actually can help us to do our analysis. And the cryptocurrency that we will deal with today is Ethereum. Start and take a glance on Ethereum price. Right now, I would like to keep in your mind that as more hint points you can find in a chart pattern, as better is for our analysis. And substantially, we not set priorities and we not think in your mind that, okay, it's sufficient if we have about two or three from these hint buttons. So what I mean is actually as more you can find some levels that actually can be, for example, a horizontal level or a resistance level, you have to draw in your pattern because it can be helpful not only for this time, but it can be helpful and in future analysis. So let's start and find some of them. Right here, I can think that it's a good horizontal level, as we can see in the chart, and the line can be helpful for us right now. At this point of level, that's right. Okay, perfect. Just come here to draw this horizontal line and we will see better about the candlesticks. We can see that this price is actually here too, almost, yeah, perfect. So we can see that there are plenty of this point of level that the price touched this and then it can bounce it and go back at the price, okay? So it's many significant levels that actually you have to keep in your mind, and one of them is horizontal level. Okay, let's keep going and see that. Okay, right now I can notice that we have here a good potential about W pattern, as you can see. Okay, the W is when the price can do something like that. Okay, then can upside down and again go back again. Okay, it's W2, and as we can see that these two are similar to one of them. Okay, so let's keep going and to see that. Okay, one more element is that we have here about two levels that this W pattern touched and goes back. So it's a very good for us because we actually right now we can keep in your mind that we have a good potential to an uptrend. Okay, so close your mind about the green candles. Okay, right now we will do an analysis and we'll find if it can be impressive, if it can be good for us to keep in your mind about this analysis and just to use it and to take into consideration whatever else can happen in the stock market and to to take this analysis in other stock market, in other currencies, in whatever it can be. So let's keep going. Okay, let me to no, I will let them. Okay, perfect, it's okay. Furthermore, we can see that we can have a good lines. Maybe it's better if I'll scar them. Okay, just hold on. We can see that we have some downtrends before this W pattern just drawn. Okay, the first was here, perfect, and the second is here. Someone can use the Fibonacci retracement about these levels too, and let me to zoom in about these levels. Okay, perfect, to have something like that. Okay, it's absolutely good pattern because he actually waited, for example, about the 2 days, and he take a good increase, for example, about 3%, 2.5%. It's very good for an investor. But I would like you to think to illustrate in your mind that we can do something in the long term. Okay, so let's find out what we can do in this pattern in the long term. We can actually draw a Fibonacci retracement about this level, and as we can see, this gold level we would like to take into consideration that it can be touched there. It occurred at this particular time of period. Okay, so it's much helpful for us because it's self-evident that this price touched at this level. Okay, so we can do in your mind that it's a commitment for us because it touched them and go again up. So just keep in mind that we will have an extension here, okay, because we would like to remove this price. And to think that, okay, the price actually touched here, perfect. As I told you in a previous video, the stop loss, we don't have to exactly here. As we can see, our position can be closed, but some percentage below here. So again, just show tolerance in the stock price and cryptocurrencies too, since that there are plenty of news that can manipulate the stock price too. Okay, the currency stock. Okay, so after that, and if you put in your mind that we have a good stop loss about, I mean that just keep in your mind the stop loss can be further about 1%, not far, not bigger from that percent I will show you right now. Okay, because it's candidate that if you put your stop loss much lower, about 2.5, maybe it can be touched at this level. Okay, I absolutely agree with you, but you will see, okay, perfect, you will see right here, and you put your stop loss some here, okay, or here or here, we can have about the 2.7 to 3% decrease of your price, and your portfolio can be decreased much easier. Okay, so just uh, show tolerance, but keep in your mind that there are some levels that I have to take into consideration. Okay, so, and we see that the golden zone is heated. We can take our golden position, our the golden level. Okay, it's perfect. I will take a long position, and then absolutely you can see that our price just hit it and the max level that actually we would like to hit. Okay, the numbers of fit retracement are already analyzed in previous video. Just see the previous video that I'm talking about PayPal's analysis. Okay, so we can think that it's a very good potential to an uptrend because I will reveal right now all of these elements that we analyze because all of them are connected, and it's a good approach to keep in your mind that all of these elements can be connected and can, in other words, to influence the price of Ethereum right now. So first of all, we have, okay, we have a good Fibonacci retracement. Furthermore, you can see that we have a W. Here, these red candlesticks can also drawn as a candlestick, as some candlesticks that can helpful mm, for a flag pattern. Okay, as you have mentioned, the flag pattern is something like that. Okay, it actually touches at these signals and then break out. Perfect, and it's correct too. We have the W is correct too. The Fibonacci retracement is the third. We have about the two buttons here that the price touched. It's a perfect too. The horizontal level, the absolutely much stronger as all of them, and this is our fifth. And as we can see that all of these can be helpful for us to take a long position at this level, close our position at this level, or maybe we can close our position here. Not all of the position. That's just some of shares that actually we have take in our portfolio, and let them the other half, or actually the other partial of our portfolio, to play to actually to run at these prices to have a good increase here. And actually we can see that we just can be, we was, for example, lucky if we'll just keep in our portfolio all of these shares, and all of this position can be increased almost about 10%. Perfect. And it just only took us the time, because the time is also a good, it's very important for us. It's about 3 days, almost 4 days. Okay, so thank you very much. Keep in your mind that as many significant levels elements you can actually find out in in the chart pattern, we can figure out automatically that it can be most close closest to us to have some profits. Thank you very much. Goodbye.